There's a few trade shows coming up, and our good friends over at Cotton Incorporated gave me a bunch of samples that I need to be sewing up. One of the samples is a double layer bra. So as you can see with seamless wear, you have different types of knit structures in it, but you do have to cut around and cut out some of the waist. We have the COATYARN Hi-Grip yarn in the band that is knit into the structure itself. So this is not sewn in. This comes off the machine just like this. But because this is 2 layers, the inside and outside could possibly shift when I start cutting it. So I'm going to have to tack it first. The purpose for sewing the outside and inside fabrics together is because I'm going to cut out the waist, but I'm also going to put a binding around those openings and those raw edges. So that stitch, I'm not going to take it out. I'm just going to put the binding over it. So that stitch that's tacking the 2 layers of fabric together also needs a lot of stretch. One of the most common sewing machines you'll see is a 301 lock stitch like this. And for tacking, most people would opt for that. We have sewn around the perimeter right by the cut waistline with a lock stitch. But unfortunately, that seam does not stretch. Continues to pop, and that is not going to help us at all. Now here's a seam that looks just like that lock stitch, but it has a ton of stretch. Nothing is popping. If there's one thing you can learn from me, it's never use a lock stitch on something that needs to stretch. We're going to break this one down into 2 parts. So next part, we're going to use this great MacB machine that's designed for seamless wear. And we're going to cut out the waist, put on some binding, and have ourselves a sports bra.